Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is L3 Harris and Shield AI showcase AI-enabled drone detection system at U.S. military trials. L3 Harris Technologies and Shield AI have successfully demonstrated an artificial intelligence-enabled drone detection system at the Department of War's recent Technology Readiness Experimentation event. The test showed the system can detect hostile drones more quickly and at longer ranges than current solutions, even when drones are partially obscured by buildings or clouds. L3 Harris tested the passive capabilities by using WES-CAM MXTM series electro-optical/infrared sensors integrated with Shield AI's Tracker Counter UAS unmanned aircraft system unmanned aerial vehicle software. This allowed the system to detect multiple classes of unmanned aerial systems under varied conditions. Our warfighters and allies are facing a new breed of unmanned threats that require faster responses at greater ranges without being detected themselves, said Tom Kirkland, Vice President and General Manager, Targeting and Sensor Systems, L3 Harris. Partnering with Shield AI enables combat-proven targeting systems like the WES-CAM MX series to be more effective and provide added protection to operators. Adversaries are fielding more drones, cheaper and in more complex environments than ever before, said Christian Gutierrez, Vice President, Hivemind Solutions, Shield AI. Defeating that threat requires technology that is intelligent, adaptable, and passive, and this collaboration with L3 Harris brings together the strengths of autonomy and sensing to meet that urgent operational need. The next phase of the collaboration will focus on fine-tuning different airborne object behavior models to improve performance tracking across air, land, and maritime domains during both daytime and nighttime operations. The AI-powered capability will also be integrated with the L3 Harris Vampire counter-unmanned system, designed to defend against small drones. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.